Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. We have been in a super snowy state with tons of snow, mud, and slush. This Acme rain suit has totally protected me. This suit was a workhorse from the very beginning, whether I was riding on the razor, sledding down a hill full of snow, having a snowball fight, or even if I was just making snow angels. This suit had so many features like the elastic around the cuffs to keep the snow out, the straps that you could tighten around your ankles that kept it secure around the boots, as well as the breathable inside material. And then it also had a way to tighten the hood to keep it secure around your head, as well as around the waist. You could tighten it, and then that way you could keep it secure against your body. Even though that this rain suit is technically built for rain, I really put it to the test. It kept me dry, it kept me safe from the mud and the slush, and I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.